down on my knees in the street playing Skelly, rushing upstairs to see graffiti rock on the telly. With one eye on the beats dropping, I knew that one day it would come when I'd be on the mic rocking. Every day after school practicing, I mixed book smarts with street smarts and then started battle rapping. But for me it wasn't happening, so I changed up my style so the ladies man macking. I wrote a rhyme about Roxanne, Roxanne. I used to bust it out when I went to a jam. My mother read the dirty rap. She said you ain't gonna go too far expressing yourself like that, disrespecting black women. And what's gonna happen when you turn around and try to have your own children? So I changed up my style once again, so me and my moms could still be friends. My daddy wasn't bugging out so far, watching me pretend to be another rap star. Through my eyes he saw a child changing, growing up to be a man and leave behind the shooting banging. I remember, come on, let me know.